Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Nevoc 16x24-inch format manual heat press machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Professional 16x24-inch heat press machine with infrared positioning. Take your custom printing projects to a new level with this 16x24-inch heat press machine, offering ample workspace for both large graphics and multiple small prints in one session. It's perfect for pressing t-shirts, ceramics, mousepads, metal pendants, and more, handling both bulk orders and one-off designs with ease. A precision infrared positioning system ensures flawless alignment every time, reducing waste and improving efficiency. The adjustable pressure control and special ultra-precision wire tube heating technology with Teflon-coated heating plates guarantee even, consistent heat distribution. Essential for delicate or thicker materials. Built on a sturdy die-cast aluminum base with universal wheels, it's easy to move and built for long-lasting durability. Suitable for a wide variety of materials like cotton, polyester, glass, ceramics, and metal, this versatile heat press offers professional-grade performance in a user-friendly package. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.